Let's start with our question number 153. So, what is that? The specific resistance is numerically equal to the resistance offered by. So if you know the relation R is equals to what, rho L by A, rho L by A. So they are asking this specific resistance. You bring this area to the left side, become what? It will become a multiplication, and if you bring this L to the left side, become a division. So if you observe here, length can be measured in meter or centimeter. So here, if you observe the option, 1 centimeter of the length of the conductor and 1 centimeter square of area of cross section. So it will be our option number D. Okay, let's see the question number 154. What is the 154th question? If the cross sectional area increases while the temperature and the length is constant, what happens to the resistance? So just now we have seen what is the resistance formula. R is equals to rho L by A. Now if you observe the relation between area of cross section and the resistance, both are inversely proportional. Inversely proportional means, what does it tell us about that? If the area is increased, then what will happen to the resistance? Resistance will decrease, right? So what will be the answer? Option number A will be the answer. Let's see. Let me drag upwards. Sorry. 155. 155. See the question. 155th question. Dash amperes of current causes loss of muscle control. Yesterday in the set I have told what is that? What is that? 0.07 leads to what? Death of the person. Now they are asking loss of muscle control. Loss of muscle control. What is that value? 0.015. 0.015 lead to loss of muscle control. If you observe this value, 0.01 leads to what? It is called as can be felt. Can be felt means we can feel it and current passes through it. That much amount of current passes through it. And if it is 0.005, it is 0.005, what is that? It is painful. It is painful. If that much of current enters your body, you may feel the pain. Okay. And next one is 0.0. Point is there. 0.010. It is called as our involuntary muscle contraction. Involuntary muscle contraction means what? Without our knowledge, our muscle gets contracted. Like if you keep finger into the plug, not the socket, but we may feel that someone has pushed you, right? So it is not our control. So all the muscle gets controlled or contracted involuntarily. Okay, that is about our what? 0.010. And just now we have seen 0.015. It is our loss of muscle control. Now what will be happening? Will be observed in the movies, right? The person will be continuously vibrating when he keep his finger into the socket, right? Yes. So answer is 0.015. 156 question. Two resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, and the current is sent through the combination. Now current divides itself by. Current divides itself by. What is the relation between current and the voltage and the resistance? V is equals to IR. Yes. Okay. Now if I bring this I to the left, it become what? V by I is equals to what? Now if you observe the relation between resistance and the current, it is inversely proportional. So if you observe that current divides itself by what? If you see option, I think option number C, it is an inverse ratio of the resistance. Okay, inverse ratio of the resistance. Understanding? Let's see the next question. Next question. What is it? The conventional current flows from. So conventional current flows from where to where? Can anyone say to me? Conventional current. Anyone who is watching this one? Does anyone comment? What is this conventional current? No. So there is no such current called as conventional current. It is a perception, or we can say that if the electric current flows through the batteries, from current flows from what? Current flows from negative terminal to the lower potential to the high potential, or negative terminal to positive terminal, right? But it may believe if you take a, if you pretend, if you consider that if a positive charge, for assumption, if the positive charge moves, it moves from what is that, high potential region to low potential, or positive terminal to negative terminal. So it's an assumption, conventional current. So there is no such current actually. Okay, understood. Understood. Let's see the next question. To a particular substance dash is constant. What is constant? What are the options they have given? Resistance, wrong. Yes, specific resistance. What is meant by specific resistance? Specific resistance tells about the nature of the substance. Nature of the substance. So based on that, if you are taking an iron, it will have one property. If you are taking aluminum, it will have one type of property, the resistivity. So it will not change. So specific resistance. Understood? Let's see the next question. I think that page is over. Yes, let me zoom it. Okay, see the question. The specific resistance of alloys. So alloy specific resistance ranges from what? Times that of metal they have said. So in the class, so in the chapter, we have learned that the alloy specific resistance ranges from 30 to 100 times more than the metal. 30 to 100 times more than the metals. So we can say that option number B is our answer. Which of the following term does not represent the electric power? Does not represent the electric power. What is the formula for power? Power is nothing but VI, or you can say W by T. Yes, V is nothing but what? IR. So we can say it as I square R. We can simply say that V square by R. So in this, all these formula which is not there, that will be our answer. What is that? I square R. See here, I R square. That is wrong. I square is the right answer. It's not I R square. So option number B is our answer. Let's see 161st question. The resistivity of the semiconductor. So as I already told that this is an important one. In the semiconductor, if we see the relation, as the temperature increases, the resistance of the conductor increases. That is the usual thing, normal thing we have learned. But these are all what based on the metals. If you are taking a semiconductor, as the temperature what is that, value increases, its resistivity or the resistance decreases. That is the important point about this semiconductor. Decrease. So decrease as the temperature decrease. Option number is our answer. Nichrome is a combination of, so very easy to remember, nichrome is an alloy. So nichrome is a combination of what they have asked. In the name itself says nichrome, Ni is just to remember. Okay, it is not like that. Na tells about nickel, CHRM, chromium, we can say chromium. Whatever E is last, we just remember E as ion. Okay, nickel, chromium, ion is the combination. With that combination we'll get nichrome. So what is that? Nickel, chromium, ion. So option number D is our answer. Okay, the commercial unit of energy. So we already know that energy, power, is measured in what? Kilowatt hour. Commercial units, what in your houses, in your industries, it will come in the electricity bill. If you observe, it will come in the form of units. So 1 unit is equals to 1 kilowatt hour. What are the highest and lowest resistance? So always remember, you will get the highest resistance when the resistance is connected in series. Okay, you will get the lowest resistance when the resistance is connected in parallel. That is the important point you have to remember here. So what they have said, that highest and lowest resistance that can be obtained from two resistance, 4 ohms and 10 ohms. So as I said, highest resistance series means what? 4 plus 6. What you will get? 10. So 10 is our answer, series resistance. Okay, then what? Lowest means what? Parallel. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. 4 into 6 by 6 plus 4 is 10. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So what you will get? Or just not down to solve it. 6 into 4 by 10, right? So means what? 6 4s are 24. 24 by 10 is nothing but 2.4. 2.4 into 10. So 2.4 comma 10. Or so here if you observe the B and T, just now you have to see the question correctly. So highest and lowest they have given. Highest means 10 only. So option number B is our answer. 10 and 2.4. Okay. Electric power. We have just now we have seen electric power P is equals to what? VI. Where is that option? Option number D is our answer. Okay, I think let me drag upwards. Let's see the 166th question. If the length of the filament in a heater is reduced by 10%, electric police, I have already explained this one in set A, maybe fourth or fifth question. Okay, see that video, set a video, you can understand it. So there what we have got, that it is increased by 11%. We have, when we have calculated it, we have got that it has increased by 11%. So usually here also they have given the option wrong, that is not 10%, it is 11%. Option number A. What is the power produced by the appliance marked power? P is equals to what? VI. What is the V value given? 24. What is the A value? 2. 2 2s are 4. Sorry, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 48 watts. Option number C is our answer. Are you listening, everyone? ఏం వింటాను సార్ మీ క్లాస్? వేరే చాలా యూట్యూబ్ వాళ్ళు చాలా వీడియోలు పెడుతున్నారు, అక్కడ వింటాను సార్. మా క్లాస్, మీ క్లాస్ ఎందుకు సార్ మాకు? అంతేనా? Just listen, it will be helpful to you. So what I have observed that in the other classes, another YouTube channels, what I have observed that they are just saying this lesson, they are not dealing with all the bits. See, in our exam we require the bits, so practice of more bits will help you in the exam. Why? Because in the same, if the same type of bit not same, just an example, okay, if same type of bit appears in the exam, so it will be helpful. So we have already seen such type of question in these videos, so it will be helpful. That is the reason I have started with bits. Okay, ప్లీజ్ మేము ఆ వీడియోస్ వేరే క్లాస్, వేరే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చెప్పే వాళ్ళ వీడియోస్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే యూ కెన్ వాచ్ దేర్ ఆల్సో. Okay, so if you have observed my all these sets, I have not even said once also that subscribe to my channel, like my video. I never said such thing, because if I say such a things like subscribe to my channel, like my video, it is like forcing you to do it. I don't want anyone to forcibly to watch my video. If you are interested, you watch my video, it will be helpful to you. Okay, and one more thing, as I already told that there is a WhatsApp group link given in the description. You can add there, those are very much interested. Okay, who are very much interested, you can add to that group. I think I have kept one online test. They are asking to keep one online test, so I have conducted yesterday one online test. I have given the result also there. Maybe if few members have attempted it, it's up to you if you are attempting it or not. So as I told that in the previous sets also, the classes, all these concepts in the chapter will be discussed only in the Zoom class. If I say like this here, you cannot understand. If you get any doubt also, you cannot discuss directly. So if I start saying the Zoom class, at that instant itself you can ask me or the max faculty that what is it sir, how you have got this value. That is the reason we are waiting for the notification to get released. So anyway, continue. Let's see the 168th question. Average resistance of a healthy dry human body. So it stands from what? 100 ohms to 5 lakh ohm. Maximum resistance is for what? For our skin. Okay, so it ranges from 100 ohms to 5 lakh ohms. An example for semiconductor, as I already told that example for semiconductor is our diodes, transistors, and semiconductor like silicon, germanium, and all other alloys, LEDs, all comes under semiconductor. So here what they have given, lead, it is wrong. G means germanium, S means silicon, so it is germanium and silicon. Option number D is our answer. Now 170th bit, a bulb rated 240 volt 100 watts is connected to 120 volt supply. Which of the following is correct? So I think you have discussed this one. So if you observe here, usually the power depends on what? P is equals to VI, right? So power depends on the voltage. So more the power, more the voltage. More the voltage means more the brightness. So if you have observed the question, 240 volt or 100 watts is 240 volt bulb is connected to 120 volt supply. So what we can observe, that bulb will glow but its brightness will be dim. So which will be our answer? Option number D. Bulb is lighted but it is dim. Option number D is our answer. See, we also got our max faculty. So here in max we cannot say it on this like this as I am saying in the screen. So it takes it's a problematic type, right? All the bits. So that is the reason that max faculty, the start has not started. So once the notification releases, we'll be starting directly with our Zoom class. So there we'll be discussing all the concepts. Understanding? Let's see the next question. what they have given, what is the 1 unit of household electric energy. So we already know that. What is that? 1 unit is equals to what? 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 or 35 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. So what they have given, so the option number B is our answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Let me zoom it. Example for non-ohmic conductor. Non-ohmic means what? All the diodes, just not said diodes, transistors, and what is that? Semiconductor. So here, what are those? Diode. Already answer option A is given. Work done per unit charge. So W by Q. W by Q is nothing but what? Our potential difference or voltage. W by Q. Okay, so what is that answer? Option number C is our answer. The electric iron has more 220 volt 500 watt unit consumed in kilowatt hour by using it for 24 hours. Okay, now listen. Kilowatt hour. So what they have given 500. Okay, now how many hours? 24 hours. How much you'll get? 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, and 2 zeros are there. This is our watts. Kilowatt means what? 1000 equals to kilo, so 12 kilowatt hour. 12. So where is our answer? Option number A is our answer. Now two resistors A and B have resistance Ra and Rb if the resistivities of A and B are Sa and Sb. Resistors or resistivity of A and B are given Sa and Sb, then choose the correct answer. Now if you observe the relation R is equals to rho L by A. Now if you observe here, resistance depends on resistivity. Okay, they have given Sa and Sb, but at the same time resistance depends on length, and at the same time area also. They have not given any information about the length and the area. So what will be the answer? We can say that option D, the data given is not sufficient to say it. There is a voltage drop of 220 volt across the resistance 220 ohms. What is the power? So power is equals to what? Oh, resistance they have given. So what will be the formula? Will be here V square by R. V square by R. So substitute it. V square. What is the V value? 220 into 220 by 220. 220 cancelled. What will be the answer? 220 only. 220 watts. Option number C. Let's the next question. When an electric current 177. Okay, when an electric current flows through a metallic wire, the particle moving are. We already knows it. Current means what? Metallic wire means what will move? Positive charge will be fixed in their location, then the electrons will be moving. So electrons. Option number D is our answer. Not B, Amma, not D. Option number D is our answer. Okay. Let's see the 178th question. The path of the motion of the free electrons. If it is free electrons, it is called as our open circuit condition. In open circuit condition, if you take any conductor, the electrons will be moving random direction, no particular direction. So it is called as our zigzag. Option number C. Ohm's law relates potential difference with. Ohm's law means what? V is directly proportional to I. Okay, so potential difference relates with what? Current. Where is that option? Option number C, current for a given conductor. How many electrons should be detached from a body so that it can have charge of 1 coulomb? Oh, go. No, it's a different question. How many electrons? Number of electrons they have. So if you know the formula, Q, capital Q is equals to N into small q. Okay, so they are asking N well, so you bring this Q to the left side. So capital Q value, how much they have given? 1. So 1 by, what is the Q value? Q is not, small q is nothing but magnitude of charge. It is our 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Okay, so minus 19 means if I bring it upwards, it becomes plus 19. So 1 by 1.6, nothing but 10 by 16 into 10 to the power of 19. Okay, now what you will get here? What you will get? I think you will get the answer. What are the options they have given? 19, right? 19 they have given. So what will be the option? You can guess. They have 24. It is wrong. That much value difference you will not get. 10 power of 24 and 10 power of 19. So okay, wait. Okay. Q 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, minus 19. 10 by 16 is nothing but I think it's 0.625. Okay, 0.625 into 10 to the power of 19. If I remove one decimal, it become what? 10 power 18. So 6.25 into 10 to 18 is our answer. Okay, wait. An heater of resistance 50 ohms is connected to 220 volts line. How much amount of current? Okay, V is equals to I, or current value they are asking. I is equals to, what is the V value? 220. What is the R value? 50. 0 gets cancelled. 2 4s are 20. 4.4 is the answer. Option number C is our answer. For which of the following, let me drag up a little bit. Which of the following is not correct for the household wiring? Which is not correct? I think you have already seen that switch, whatever switch is there, all the values are given in switch should be always connected in parallel, but if you observe here, option number D, switch is connected in series, they have given, that is wrong. Option number D is our answer. So that page is over. Okay, let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. Okay, calculate the electric field at a point where the charge is plus 6 microcoulomb, experience a force. Now you remember, electric field is equals to force, not electric field, force. They have given force, right? Electric force F is equals to field into charge. There is a formula, F is equals to EQ. F is equals to EQ. Understood? Remember it. F is equals to EQ. Now here they have asked what is the E value. E means what? You will bring this Q to left side, become division. So therefore E is equals to F by Q. What is F value? They have given 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. What is Q value given? 6. So 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means 0.5. So 0.5 means hey, wait, 6 microcoulomb they have given. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 6. So 1 by 2, 10 power minus 6 goes upwards, means 10 power 6. 10 power 6, 6 minus 4 is what? 6 minus 4 is our 2. So 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 is nothing but how much? 0.5. 0.5 is what? 5 by 10 into 10 square. So 10 and the square gets cancelled. What is left behind is our 50. So option number C is our answer. Okay, the resistance of a conductor if the current flowing through the wire is 0.2 and the potential difference is 0.8. It's just very simple, 0.8 by 0.2. So 4 is our answer. Let's see the next question, 185th question. Oh my god. Consider X. Ammeter is used to measure electric current. That is correct. Ammeter is usually connected in series. That is also correct. So option number A and B is correct answer. If a charge 20 coulomb flows from point A to point B, work done by the charge is 200 joules. What is the potential difference at A? If the potential at A, potential difference at B is 6 volt, they have given. So potential V is nothing but what? Potential difference in the potential. So what is the V formula? V is equals to W by Q. What is the W value they have given? W value they have given it as 200. Q value they have given as 20. 0 gets cancelled. It is our 40. So V value we have got 40. 40 only. Sorry. So oh my god. Right. 0 gets cancelled. 2 10s are 10, not 40. Okay, 10. So what we have got? V value 10. V is nothing but what? Potential difference, means PA minus PB value we have got it as 10. Okay, and what is the PB value they have given? 6 they have given. So PA minus 6 is equals to 10. So PA is equals to what? 6 plus 10? 16 is our answer. Option number C is our answer. Now in a metal, positive ions are fixed in their location. Is correct. All the electrons are free to move. Yes, it is correct. Some positive ions are free to move. Wrong. Some electrons are free to move. Wrong. Option number 1 and 2 is the right answer. Means first option. What is that option? 1 and 2 option is correct. Means option number A is our right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. A toaster of resistance 100 ohms is connected to 220 volt. What is the current? So V by V by R. So 220 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. 2.2 is our answer. Option number B is our answer. So how many electrons are transported to a current of 1.2 amps flowing for 16 minutes 40 seconds? Okay, current is equals to Q by T. Yes, current is equals to Q by T, nothing but NQ by T. NQ by T. Now current value how much they have given? 1.2. Okay, now number of electrons you are asking. Number of electrons NQ by T. T value, N value you have to find it. Q value we already know is 1.6 into 10 power of 9 minus 19, and T value if you observe here 16 minutes 40 seconds they have given. So 16 into 60 plus 40. Okay, understood. So 16 6 are how much? 6 are 36, 3 7 8 9 96. So 96 into 0 is 960. So what you will get? 1.2 into 960 plus 40. 960 plus 40. So 1000 you will get. 1.2 into 1000 by how much? Q value 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so what you will get ultimately, if you solve it, maybe you will get, maybe you will get something 75 something you will get. Okay, let's see the 190, because time is less, that is the reason I am not saying it. Last 10 minutes is left for me. Okay, consider the following statements. P is equals to unit of potential difference and EMF is correct. Unit of current and EMF is same, wrong. P is correct, Q is wrong. Okay, option number C. Now electric lamp makes 100 watts for 5 hours daily with number of units consumed. Number of units how much? You guess right on. Watts per hour. Number of units nothing but 100 into 500. 500. So number of, let's say lamp covers 100 watts units. 100 watts used for how many hours? 5 hours. Number of units consumed per day. So how much you got? 500. You have got 500. Okay, per day they are asking. So how much will be the answer? By 1000 you have to do it. 1000, because 1 unit is nothing but 1 kilowatt hour. So 100, 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 10. So 1 by 2 is our answer. Option number A is our answer. So 192 question. The copper wire of radius is 2 mm carries a current of 1.5 millicoulombs within 1 second. Find the current strength. It's very easy question. How much? Copper wire of radius 2 millimeter carries a current of 1.5 millicoulomb in 1 second. What is the strength they have asked? What is the strength? Yeah, current strength. Current is nothing but Q by T. What is the Q value they have given? 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but what? 15 by 10. So 5 2s are 5 3s are. 3 by 2 is our answer. 3 by 2 milliamps. Option number A. It's B. Okay. Now 193 question. The resistance of the wire of uniform diameter D and length R. Now it is 2 times. So I have already covered in set B this question. It is our answer number D, R. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, let's see the 194th question. Let me zoom a little bit bigger. Okay, the resistance of 20 centimeter long wire is 5 amps. What is the resistance if it is 40 centimeter? What is the formula? R is equals to rho L by A. What is the relation we have got? R is directly proportional to L. Now if you observe here, if you substitute in this formula, you get a wrong answer. Why? Because if you observe here, what is the question given there? 20 centimeter long. If it is stretched to 40 centimeters, I think that this is the wire. If it is stretched, it means what? Its area changes. What is the formula for volume? V is equals to area into length. So A means what? In place of A, what I can write? V by L. V by L. So R is equals to rho L by V by L. So L comes to the numerators. What you'll get? R is equals to rho L square by A. So it is what is related. R is directly proportional to L square. So R1 by R2. What is R1 value given? 5. R2 value we have to find it. L1 how much they have given? 20. L2 value 40 square, sorry, 0 0 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So R is equals to what? 5 into 4. How much? 20 ohms. How many 176 ohm resistors are required to carry? See here, they have not given the connection, so it's some missing is there. It is parallel connection. Okay, how many 176 ohms parallel resistors are connected to carry? They have given. So in parallel connection, what is the formula? R what is that? R equivalent is equals to R by N. R by N. So R by N is the formula. So V is equals to IR. So V by I is equals to what? V by I is equals to R by N. I can write like this. What is the V value given? V value they have given 220 by 5. How much you will get? 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 44 we have got. 44 is equals to 176 by N. Therefore N is equals to what? 176 by 44. 44 I think 4 4s are 16. Option number A. The length in case of 4 wires of same material, resistance will be minimum if the length and diameter respective. This question also covered in set B, set 2. So its answer will be length should be half and diameter should be doubled. Option number B is our answer. That's the 197th question. 1 minute. 197th question. Number of electrons flowing through the filament of 220 volt and 40 watts in 1 second. Number of electrons flowing through the filament. Okay, how much they have asked. So what is the formula you will be used here? Number of so you find out P is equals to VI. Okay, so what is the what is it? I value will get here. P value they have given 40 and V value they have given 220. So 40 by 220. 40 by 220. How much you will get? 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 11s are. So we have got 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Okay. What is that I value? Now we know that I is equals to NQ by T. So they have already given 1 second. So T value become 1. So what I can write here, Q value is how much? You bring to the left side become what? 2 by 11 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. So if you divide it, you will get, I think I have already done this one. I think it's 2 by 11. 2 by 11 means I think it's this one. 1125 into 10 power of 15. Option number C is our answer. I have already shown how to solve it. Try to solve it. Time only 3 minutes are left for me to complete it. So let's continue. The resistivity of the air is, that is very easy question, 1.3 into 10 power of 16. If the resistance of the connected to a battery by which the temperature of the wire is increased, if temperature is increased, what will happen to the resistance? Resistance also increases. No, here that is not the question, which will not change the half set. That is our drift speed. Drift speed means what? The constant speed with which the electron move. So constant speed. Okay. 200th question. An ammeter has resistance of a range of 0.0 to 3 amperes, and there are 30 divisions on this scale. What is the least count? What is meant by least count? Least count is nothing but the smallest measurement that can be measured from the scale. Okay, now they have given 0 to 3 means 3 amps of current. How many times it is divided? How many divisions are there? 30 is there. Means what we can say that 30 divisions is equal to 3 amps. So what about 1 division? 1 division is equals to 3 by 30. 3 by 30. Okay, so 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means how much? 1 by 10. So how much? 0. How much you'll get? 0.1. 0.1. Option number C is our answer. Okay, let's see the next question. To find the net resistance between A and B. So it's a simple resistance circuit. To try to solve it, we solve it and comment me in the comment box in the below the description how much you will get. 201st question. 201. Okay, let's see the next question. In the flow of electricity, AC current. Why we use AC current? Because AC can be rectified, AC can be produced easily, and it has thin wire. Okay, over. Let's see the next question. 203rd, find the equivalent resistance they have given. So if you observe here, there are how many junctions? 3 junctions. So if you observe here, each and every current is dividing into 2 parts. So all the 3 are in parallel connection. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is our 3 by 2. 1 by R equivalent value, 3 by 2 means R equivalent value is how much? 2 by 3. We have 3 resistors which are connected, which are equal. How many connections we can make? Actually, it is already discussed in our, I think, the set 2. Okay. So how many connections? I think our 4 types of connection can be made. Our last question, I think. Yes. Resistance of metallic conductor. So resistance of metal conductor increases with increase in temperature. If the semiconductor decreases. So answer is our A. So with this we have completed 205 questions. So 200 plus questions, as I told, that have covered in the electric current chapter. So thank you. This is Madhu Mahesh Raj signing off. Bye.